blown up has a top and a bottom. The top will have a padded area for you to stand, sit, or kneel. The bottom will have a fin that helps you maintain direction of paddling. Most boards have netting on the front that can be used to hold the paddle, shoes, or a small bag. Enter the water with the board and push out into the water so that when your weight is on the board, your fin is not touching bottom. Lay the paddle lengthways on the far side of the board. Grab the sides of the board with both hands just ahead of center. Pull yourself up onto the board. I like to push off with my feet when close to the shore to send the board out from shore. You first need to get used to how the board handles on the water from your knees. Next, you are ready to stand up. From your knees on the board, put both hands on the board holding the paddle. Quickly go from your knees to your feet. Use your hands for support with the paddle on the board. Push yourself up to standing. Keep your knees slightly bent. Keep feet slightly angled out. And don't look at the board. Look 20 to 30 feet out in front. Once you are balanced, start to paddle. Have some fun paddling around. Stay in about 4 or 5 feet of water close to shore so that if you fall off it doesn't hurt, because it can be a little tricky to maintain your balance at first. When you want to get back down onto your board to have a break or just take a cool off in the water, rest your ankles in the water, just repeat the whole process in reverse.